Sugar doesn't just affect your body, it directly changes how your brain works. When you eat sugar, it quickly travels to your brain through the blood. Sugar triggers dopamine, the brain's pleasure chemical. That's why sugar makes you feel good instantly. But your brain quickly wants more and more. Sugar activates the same pathways linked to addiction. Over time, the brain needs more sugar to feel satisfied. Too much sugar can weaken memory and learning. This leads to brain fog and poor focus. Sugar gives quick energy, then a sudden crash. That crash can cause irritability and mood swings. High sugar intake increases stress hormones. Sugar can cause inflammation inside the brain. It also interferes with healthy sleep cycles. Long-term excess sugar may damage brain health. Balance is the key, not complete avoidance. Natural sugars from fruits are much safer. Whole foods support steady brain energy. Reducing sugar improves focus and mood. Thanks for watching Health Hub. Subscribe for more health videos.